Okay, on the billboard listing query, when you open it, something's wrong in it, and that's why you got this. So click cancel and open it in design view. Okay, so this should not be there. And I'm just going to use delete on my keyboard to remove it. And then I'm going to run it again and close it. Should have gotten 4 records, which is what you have gotten. And open it again. And it opens now. The reason it didn't open, that expression that you had in there made it think it was a parameter query, and so it was asking you for a parameter to search in the query. The state billboard query, okay, again, it's got a parameter, so let's open it in design view. Okay, this needs to be removed. You don't want all that information in there. Should contain the criteria interstate. So it is a parameter. And that's it. You didn't want the other part in there. And then run it. And we were going to use WA as our example, and that will be only the Washington states that will show. So every time you run that query, it's going to ask you to state which state. So you open it, interstate, and WA, and click OK. The square foot area query should only have billboard ID, location, height, width, and then the new one you're going to create. And so I'm going to remove type because it doesn't need to be there. So what it asked you to do was to create a calculation, and it gave you the exact wording of what they wanted in there. And that is SQR, capital FT, colon, and then in brackets, height, because it's the name of one of the fields. Field names need to be in brackets, times width, height times width, and then run. And it does the multiplications or calculations for you. And close that and be sure to save it. Okay, the next thing, the caption query. Okay, I'm going to, right click and go to design view. And this should not be here. And that's what's causing it to ask for a parameter. Open the caption query in design view, modify the query by adding the caption for the facing field to direction. Run the query and then save and close the query. Okay, so I'm going to go to properties. The facing field should have the caption direction. I don't see the facing field. Okay, in order first to get caption query right, you're going to have to go back to the table billboard and copy and paste it into yours from the start file. So open up your start file and copy and paste into billboard. Say yes, you want to replace the existing. Then you'll need to do the same for caption query. Copy and paste it. And that's because caption query is based off of billboard. Okay, once you've done that, the facing field, the one we were missing, oops, I've opened the wrong one. Okay, so go to View, Design View, and the facing field should have the caption direction. The All Advertisers report is missing the grouping by last name, so I'm going to delete it. Then a minute to redo it. It's based on the All Advertisers query, so put your cursor on that. Go up to Create, and we're going to do Report Wizard. Move all the fields over, which are just 3. Group by last name, so move that over. No sorting. And it's the default stepped and portrait. And it should be named All Advertisers Report. And that's it.